students, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Kindly please respond to me in the chat for me, guys. Online students, come on, please check. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Kindly please respond to the chat for me, guys. A very good morning, guys. Very good morning. So yes, you can hear me, you can see the screen. All right. Let us start our today's session. So guys, yes, before starting our today's sessions, yesterday, day before yesterday, and today also, some new people are coming to this batch. Anyone new today? Like this is the first class. Kindly please raise your hands, offline students. Anyone new today? This is the first class. Okay, offline students, no one. In online students, okay, some people are like new, like this is the first class, for example, Kumar. Kumar, I don't recommend you to join this. Kindly please wait for another batch. Why? Because, how many days got completed, guys? 9, 11, 10. On an average, 10 days got completed. When you're speaking about advanced Java, there are absolutely no demo sessions. 50 working days. In 50 working days, below maybe 2 to 3 more, plus or minus 2 to 3 classes. In 50 working days, we'll be completing our advanced Java. In these 50 working days, 10 days already got completed. So there are no demo classes, guys. So it's completely your wish. If you want to join, please contact the management for the previous classes recordings. And if you're able to get those recordings, then happily you can join. Watch those recordings. Without recordings, you cannot continue. What do you say, guys? Yes or no? Without having knowledge on previous classes, you cannot continue this batch. So kindly please check with that. All right. Okay. Now, so yes, before starting our today's sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concepts that covered in our yesterday's session. From yesterday onwards, we started discussing about prepared statement. Eyes on me, please. From yesterday onwards, we started discussing about prepared statement. Before that, last 3 days, we discussed about statement. Yeah, basically, we know JDBC architecture. Totally, there are 7 components are there. JDBC API, driver manager class, drivers, connection interface, statements, result set, SQL exception. We know 7 components are there. In these 7 components, we first started discussing about connecting our Java program to the database, that is driver manager class and the connection interface. We know how to load the driver, how to load the driver. We know how to connect our Java program to the database, driver manager dot get connection method, connection interface. When you're speaking about statements, there are 3 types of statements are there: statement, prepared statement, callable statement. We already discussed about statement, when we will be using statement. Honestly speaking, in real time, very rarely we will be using statement, guys. Let me make it very clear. Very rarely we'll be using statement, but yeah, there's a concept. When we need to use a statement, we will use statement if you want to execute one SQL query, simple SQL query for one time. So we already covered that. Some programs we've already done. And then we started discussing about prepared statement. In our real time, most of the time we'll be dealing with either prepared statement or callable statement. Basically, callable statement internally uses prepared statement only. Anyways, that's another scenario. Now coming to the statement, yes, when we need to use a prepared statement, one SQL query for multiple times. Basically, prepared statement will be dealing with parameterized SQL queries. Yesterday, we already came to know that. We already covered that. Yes or no? Parameterized SQL queries. And in order to get that prepared statement object, prepared statement reference, we need to call a method known as prepare statement method. And of course, that method is also present inside a connection interface. So con.prepare statement will be getting our prepared statement. Now, please tell me, whenever we are trying to call create statement method, is it parameterized method or non-parameterized method? Non-parameterized method. Prepare statement method, parameterized or non-parameterized? Parameterized. If we are calling execute query method, what is the return type for that? Come on. Actually, you thought that I'll be asking one more question, but I changed the question and you got a little bit blank for a second. Yes or no? The question which you thought is, I may ask you if you're trying to call execute query from statement or else prepare statement, is it parameters or non-parameters? That is what you are expecting. This is generally what happens in interview also. Don't expect any question. Listen to the question. Seriously, I mean it. Listen to the question which is given by the interviewer and then you can shoot with the answer. All right. All right. One more time. When you're speaking about execute query method, what is its return type? Execute update. And if we are calling execute query method from prepared statement, parameterized or non-parameterized? Parameterized. Non-parameterized. If we are calling execute update from statement, I'm sorry, prepared statement, you already know that, right? So yesterday we already started with dealing one small project, like we created a patient table and we want to insert the data into that particular patient table. So we wrote some values: add patient data, view, retrieve, update, delete patient data, and exit. And yesterday we had gone with case 1. I hope it's complete for everyone. If anyone is not done, please raise your hands. I'll wait. Please feel free. Raise your hands. I'll wait. All right, guys. I'm going to give you 3 minutes time to complete this case 1. 3 minutes. Just 3 minutes. Can you please try to do this? And others, what is the second option? View the patient data, right? Try to do that in your prepared statement. Start. Case 2, view the patient database. Try to work with the code. No need to ask anything from the user. In case 2, no need to ask anything from the user. Why? Because what is happening in case 2? Please tell me what is happening in case 2. view the entire data. That's it. So no need to ask any input from the user by using scanner class. Continue. Others continue. And people who are actually writing case one, please continue with this. I'll wait for 3 minutes, guys, and then I'll move on with the code. The time starts now. Right. Chauhan asking in which building offline classes are being held. Manjira building. 2 minutes, guys. For the people who did not complete case one, 2 minutes. And people who are dealing with case two, remember you need to create one more prepared statement. No, Chauhan, it's not near Triple Mall. It's near to Prime Hospital. Astor Prime Hospital. Astor Prime, no, this hospital is? Yep, Astor Prime Hospital. One last minute for case one. And Raki, just the query is enough, Amma. As of now, there are no rules. Just the query. There are no requirements. Feel free to take patient ID for deleting and updating. When you're updating, I request you to update patient contact number. All right, time's up. I'm going with case two. So what is case two? Patient database. Okay. Patient database DTILS details. DTILS details. Okay. Shall I write the code or else you want me to wait? Shall I write? Okay. So now I'm going to create one more prepared statement. Completely one more prepared statement. Okay, sure. Let me make this as prepared statement two. Prepared statement two. All right. Can you please help me with the query? Tell me the query. Select star from PATINT patient. That's it. Sir, but you said that parameterized, prepared statement deal with parameterized SQL queries. It deals with parameterized SQL queries. It is not mandatory that 100% you need to give a parameter. I hope you're understanding me, right? So yeah, now this is prepared statement two. Let me just try to get back here. All right. Now I need to call a method. What is the method I need to call? Execute query or execute update? Update, right? 100 times. You need to write execute query, right? PSTMT2 dot execute execute query. And you know its return type is, help me. Let me just try to go like RS1 and here I'm just going to write a result set. After that, please go ahead. After that, what we need to do? While, tell me the code. While, while rs dot next rs1 rs1 dot next method, and after that system dot out dot println rs1 dot get string one. After that, what we are having? Patient ID string. Patient name. Yeah. Patient name is also string only, na? Patient name is also string. After that, patient age. That is, of course, rs1 dot get int 3. After that, just after that, patient contact. Okay, let me just try to go like this. Plus rs1 dot get long. This is 4. Okay, let's try to execute. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, welcome to patient database and add patient. I want to add patient. Patient ID 102. Patient name. Let me go like Ravi. Anybody is there? Ravi? No one is there. Very good. Ravi, patient age something like 33. Patient contact. Some contact details I have given. Enter button. Patient record inserted. Welcome to patient database. I want to view the patient data. Let me just try to go like 2. and the button. Okay, Ravi, Crystal, John, and Raju. Yeah, I got my patient database. Now I want you to kindly please go with retrieve patient ID. I mean retrieve patient data basing on ID, update patient data basing on ID, delete patient data basing on patient ID. Start. Whenever you are updating, I advise you to update patient contact. Just contact details. Come on, remaining three cases, you need to work on it. Please go ahead. Start. If anyone completed all these three cases, please raise your hand. That is good. You completed in home. Home. Okay, got it. Good job. Whenever you are giving your parameterized SQL queries, question mark represents the data. I mean numbers where you want to insert the data. Remember that. But yesterday you came without laptop and I told you to get your laptop and you don't came back again. Where is your room? Is it done? Yesterday's code is done. Everyone should do the task. Come on. It's done. Case 3 is done. Case 4. Try. Try with case 4 and case 5 also. Complete the entire cases, all the cases. Please complete. After completing case 3, continue the remaining cases also. What is the spelling of Oracle? Huh? And remember, whenever you're using scanner class, I advise you to use which method? Next line method. Make sure to use next line method. Done? I don't know whether you observed or not how much good you are in the basic. That much you'll be able to write the code by your own. Actually, right now I did not explain anything. You are trying to write the code by your own. Are you observing it? Yeah, that is what basic. If you're having strong foundation, easily you'll be able to work it out. Understanding the concept matters. Enjoy the code. Coding is fun. Did you remember how our advanced Java classes will be going on? I told you three phases. Phase one, I'll write the code. You will write the code. Currently, you are almost at the ending of phase one. Phase two, we both will write the code parallelly. Phase three, you will write the code by your own. Phase two will be coming when we're dealing with servlets. Wait for it. Little bit time. Just little bit time. Please don't consider JDBC as advanced Java. JDBC is just a little bit more concept for core Java only. We are not dealing with any servers here. Once we started with servlets, then you can consider we started with advanced Java. Servlets, server-side programming. Anyone is having any doubt, please come to me. How many cases got completed? Amma? Cool. Carry on. Relax. Be fast. Why you're lagging behind? Okay, let me just try to deal with case 3. And Vivek, sir, when will you start your next advanced Java classes? After completing this batch. Only I'll be taking only one advanced Java batch. Once I complete this, then only next batch will be coming. My slots will be a little bit busy. Right, Vivek? I cannot confirm it anything right now after completing this. All right, so let's try to deal with case 3. Now, in case 3, retrieving the patient data. First things first, let us deal with the prepared statement. I'm going to take prepared statement 3. Okay. For example, let me just try to go to my database here, please. In my database, okay, connection is OSTM system, MENAGR manager, and SELECT select a star from patient. All right, guys, please help me. I want to get this record. Okay, hang on. All right. I want to get Crystal, this patient record, basing on patient ID. May I know the SQL query for this? Please tell me. Come on, word by word, word by word. Select, SELECT select a star from patient. Absolutely. Where? PID equal to 201. Basically, this is a query, right? Yeah, I'm able to get the data. Now I need to use this query in my prepared statement. And what can be the possible parameter? What can be the possible parameter? PID means here. Okay, let me just try to copy this. I'm just a second. Let me come on. Okay, I'm copying this. Let me get back here. Right now, in the place of this is the query, and in the place of this, what I need to write? Question mark. Just a simple question mark. Is it correct? Is it correct or not? Now, sir, we will be giving quotes, single quotes. Now. We did not give single quotes here. You just try to check first without giving single quotes. Just try to check whether it is working or not. Then we can see now. So now, how many of you completed this case 3? Oh, it's done. Tell me, am I supposed to give a single quote here or not? Respond. Absolutely. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, coming to case 3. All right, retrieving the patient data. Now, system.out.println, enter patient ID. Okay, just I'm asking the user to enter patient ID and string, right? String PID equal to integer dot parse int sc dot, you not helping, sc dot next line. Okay, what is this? This is just, can I write simply like this? Sc dot next line. Why? Because PID is basically string. Okay, next line. All right. Now what I need to do? Set. Set. Okay. PSTMT. Which prepared statement? Which prepared statement? 3. Okay. PSTMT3 dot execut. Sorry. Dot set string. Is it set string? Set string 1. And here I'm going with PID. After that, PSTMT3 3 dot execute query. All right. Execute query. And you know it. I know it. Its return type is a result set. Let me just try to go like a result set. And after that, come on, guys. Tell me. Boys, girls, please help me with my next code, next line of code. While. While or if? While. While. Why if there is only one record now? Sir, why only one record? Tell me what is the query? What is the query here? We are using the query selection from patient where PID. I hope you understand me, right? There's only one record. So obviously here I need to go with if rs, just let me try to go like rs dot rs2 rs2 dot next. Okay, and after that system dot out dot println. You know what, let me just try to use exactly the same, but here I'll go with rs2 rs2 and here also rs2. What if there is no such data? Then how about else throw new runtime exception, patient record not found. Let's see. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, I already inserted the data. I already inserted the data. Let us try to retrieve the data 3 and patient ID 201. Am I able to retrieve the data? You don't respond. We are able to retrieve the data. Let us just try to go for one more time, retrieve patient data, and I'm going to give something 56. And if you're observing this, my entire program got terminated. Entire program got terminated with an exception. That is, what is that exception? Runtime exception. And by the way, what is the reason? Patient record not found. If you want to generate an exception, we can generate like this. Otherwise, simply you can write system.println also. If you want to continue with the next one, instead of this runtime exception, simply what we need to do, simply SO patient record not found. Oh, patient record not FOUND. Patient record not found. Now, whenever we are writing like this, now actually what happens? We will not be getting any exception. Let us just, will not be getting any exception. Simply we'll be getting a normal message. We can continue with our program again. So that entirely depends upon how your client wants your program to be continuing. As simple as this. If you want to generate an exception, we can generate. Otherwise, we can simply continue with our program execution. Program execution with a simple normal message. Your program, your rules. Got it? Come on, continue with case 4. How many of you completed case 3? Please raise your hands. Please raise. Okay, down. Case 4. Case 4 is, okay. Continue with case 4 and case 5. Please. Case 3 is on the board. And basically, this is a prepared statement. This is a prepared statement. Please. If anyone is having any problem or else any trouble, please come to me once along with your laptop. I'm there for you. So as right now, you know, prepare statement 3. So remaining also easily you can write. This is case 3. Kindly please complete case 4 and case 5. One more time I'm saying, if you are stuck at a particular point, if you're having any trouble, please come to me once. Let me check. Let me check. Feel free, feel free. People who already completed all these cases, relax. Just relax. I want everyone to complete, so please relax. Come here. Is it done? Come here, come here. Let me check. Come here, let me check. One more time I'm saying, please come to me if you're having a trouble. Come up, come up. What's the problem? Tali? No, no, Tali. What you are doing here, already you declared a connection variable. Na? Again, you are trying to take one more. So just don't hang on. Use the same reference. Connection is there. Na? Wait, return. You need to return. Na? come here and enter button, return con, return, return. Done. Please come. Please. What happened? Okay. Why? Yeah. Raki, sir, I have one issue in my code. Can you solve my issue? Yeah, please bring your laptop. PID. What is this PID? Got it? What it should be? Ah, okay. Solve it. Feel free to come and ask me if you're having any queries. If you're able to do the code, okay. Tell me one more thing. How many of you done case 4? Case 4. Okay. A lot of people are having a trouble with case 4. Why? Try. Just try. Please try. Yeah. uh, Keep it normally. What is the problem? Duplicate local variable. You already have PID somewhere. Where you have? No. Yeah. Don't go with PID. Change the name. Who told the table name and this name should be same? No problem. Okay. And guys, remember table column names. Listen, listen. Table column names, identifier names in our Java program. Identifier names must be same or need not to be same? Need not to be same. Remember that. Okay. Please. Again, if you're having a doubt, come to me. Yeah. Come. What's the problem? Invalid column index. Leave that for case 4. Leave it. Go with case 5. I'll explain case 4 in the class. Case 5 is done. Case 6. Okay, cool. Which case? अरे मेरे को हिंदी नहीं आता यार, इंग्लिश में बोलो. क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Show me where you have given. Wait for it. Remaining cases completed. Case 5 done. Okay, guys, how many of you are getting a problem in case 4? Invalid index kind of thing. Anyone is getting like that? If you are getting like that, leave it. Go for case 5. I'll explain case 4 right now after 5-10 minutes. Complete case 5. Leave case 4 and go with case 5. If you are getting a exception like invalid index. Ma, you done? Hey, what happened? Come here. Show me. Huh? Charging? No charging. Where is your phone? Where is your phone? How much charging is there? Make sure priorities. Close it. What you're going to do? Close it and sit. Tomorrow I need to see that code. This entire code should be present there tomorrow. I'll check. Ah, it's okay, Raki. No problem. It's okay. Absolutely okay. 3 hours is not at all a big time. Trust me. You need to spend a lot of hours to find out a simple problem. All right. Shall I go with case 4? Shall I explain case 4? All right, guys. Please stop coding. Everyone, stop coding. Stop coding. 10 seconds. Stop coding. Stop. Stop. Please don't look at your laptops. If you look at your laptops, I'll ask. Okay, now let's deal with case 4. Now, basically, case 4, what is this case 4? Case 4 is updating the patient data. So, what I want to update right now, basically, this is my database. Okay, right now, let us consider that I want to update the contact of Ravi. I want to update the contact of, I said no coding. Okay, I want to update the contact of Ravi. Can you please help me with the query? First, tell me the query. Update, PATIENT patient, set, I'm sorry, PCONTACTP contact equal to, let us just try to go like double something like this. Am I supposed to write single quotes or else? It's a number now. After that, where PID equal to, what is it? 101? Is it 101? 102, sorry. 102. Basically, this is the query. Let us try to check whether this is working. Buddy, not you. You, white shirt. What is the color of the shirt? Not you. Raise. You know, raise. Raise a hand. You. What is the color of your shirt? Color. It's looking at me like white and, is it green or white? Light green. Okay, fine. That guy, people, the guy who is wearing that shirt. You. Please, eyes on the board. Don't code. You know, I'll be giving the time for coding. Okay. Guys, seriously, this is for everyone. When I'm explaining, listen. Am I giving the time for coding? So just concentrate. All right. So yeah, let's try to check whether is it working properly or not. Pressing enter button. Yeah, one row updated. Let us just try to commit and I want to get the data. Uh, let me, okay. Right. Is my data got updated? Successfully updated. So basically the query is correct. Update, patient, set, P contact and fine. That query is absolutely correct. Now coming back to my program. All right. Just let me try to take one more prepared statement. One more prepared statement. Let me make this as prepared statement 4. And this is the query. I'm going to keep this query here. Now contact, I want to ask the person to enter the contact. And obviously I want to ask the person to enter the patient ID. All right. Now let us just try to go with case 4. But I want to ask a simple question. Before going to that case 4, let us consider case 1 for one more time, just for one time. In case 1, of course, I'm asking the user to enter patient ID, patient name, patient age, patient contact. Okay. ID represents the data which is entered by the user. Name, same, represents the data which is entered by the user. Age, contact. Okay. Now, what this 1 represents? First, question mark. 1 does not represents the column. No. 1 represents the first question mark. Am I clear with this? Right now, in my prepared statement 1, PSTMT1, how many question marks are there? Forget about the database. Concentrate here on your Java code. How many question marks are there? How many parameters are there? Tell me. So how many parameters we need to give? 4. So 1 represents the first question mark. 2 represents the second, third, fourth, like that. Now coming to here, prepare statement 4. Tell me how many question marks are there? 2 question mark. First question mark represents, I'm sorry, contact. Second question mark represents ID, right? Now, let us just try to get back to my case 4, updating patient data. Okay. Obviously, I'm going to ask the user system.out.println, enter, patient ID, PATINT, enter patient ID. Okay. A user will be entering some ID. Let me go like string PID equal to, PID is already taken, I guess. Let me, PID2 equal to SC dot next line. Okay. Now, what I need to ask the user to enter patient contact, patient contact. Okay, sure. Let us just try to go like enter patient, just a second, enter patient contact, CONTACT, contact. After that, long 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 dot parse long sc dot next line, and here equal to oops, sorry, where is it, equal to, tell me, long long p contact, just I'm writing p contact, enough. All right, now I need to set the values. Okay, pstmt4 dot set string set string. What I need to write, tell me first. Okay, for example, I'm writing one. If I write one, what I need to give? Contact. Why? Because one represents the first question mark. What is that first question mark? Contact. So contact means, this set string will not be working. What I need to write? Set long parameter one, and here simply I'm going to give p contact. Now I need to give the id. Tell me the code, please. Tell me the code. pstmt4 dot set string, come on, 2 comma pid2. Here people will be getting confused to give the numbers. Sometimes they'll be giving 4, sometimes they'll be giving 3, like that. But actually these numbers represents the question marks. Am I clear with this? Is it clear? Now, okay, come on, go ahead, tell me the code. I already set the values. What is left behind? Tell me. PST int, not int, method. Return type for that method is int, but call the method. PSTMT4 dot execute, execute, update, and of course its return type is int only. I'm not saying no for it. Int ROWCOUNT row count 3. Row count 2 is already taken. No, I guess. Let me go like row count 2. And now here, after that, you know it, I know it. Simply I'm going to write if row count 2 is greater than 0, SYSO PID. Let me just try to write PID2 record, just RECORD, record updated. Okay, that's it done. Else, if there is any trouble, I'm just trying to throw an exception. TH, or else, let me just, why exception? If I'm throwing an exception, entire program will be getting terminated. I'm just going to write like this. Simply, patient record not found. Enough. Let's execute. Right click, run as Java application, and I want to update the patient data. First, let me view the patient data. Okay, now this is the data. I want to update the record of Raju. Yeah, sure. Remember the first numbers are 6. Okay, so I want to update patient data. Let me go for 4 and enter patient ID. You need to help me. 101, enter patient contact. Let me just double one, double two, double three, double four, double five. Patient contact. Record 101 record updated, and welcome to patient database. Let us try to view the patient record one more time, and yes, our data got updated. So just one more case is left behind. Case 5. I guess you can do it. Stop. Please stop. Enjoy the coding. Coding is fun. If you are facing any trouble, please come to me. Don't struggle. If you're having a problem, please come to me. I'm there now. I'll solve it out. Understand the code. Don't buy hard the code. If you understand easily, you can write. So Santosh, if it does not have any record in the database, it will take the first contact, then it will give the ID is not present. Santosh, do one thing, just try to check, try to enter a record which is not present and then find it out. What happens? Try to give an ID, patient ID which is not present in the database. Just try. Done. How many of you completed case 5? Please raise case 5, case 5. Why only few people? I expected more. I guess you're working on case 4. Please try, complete. It will take the data, Santosh. Without taking the data, the values will not be set now. Yes, we literally we are taking the data first now. Then only we are executing the command. So after executing only, whether the patient ID is present or not, we'll be able to know. So yeah, that is correctly working, Santosh. Right, buddy? When we started our advanced Java classes, third or fourth? I'm sorry, fifth. Then today's 10th class. Nice improvement. That is very good. Doubt? Done? Case 5. Good. If it is done, you can relax. All right, I'm going with case 5 right now. Okay, so case 5. Let me just try to go with the query. Okay, prepare statement 5. And please tell me, guys, what is the query? Delete. DLED. Delete from patient where 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 PID equal to question mark. That's it, no? Please help me. Is this query correct? Okay. And coming back to case 5 and deleting the patient data. And here also, obviously, I need to ask the user to enter patient ID. Okay, sure. Why not? Asking user to enter patient ID. Now, after that, what is the prepared statement? It is 5. Sure. Let me just try to get back here. Prepared statement 5 dot set string 1 PID 3 and prepared statement 5 dot execute execute update. Absolutely. Execute update and equal to row count 3. Let me just try to go like int. That's it. And after that same code, just let me row count 3 is greater than 0. PID 3 record and deleted. Otherwise patient record not found. Let me just try to keep it like this. Done. All right, let's find out. Deleted. DE. Right click, run as Java application. First view the patient. Some data is there. Now I want to delete the patient. Let me go like 5. Enter patient ID 202. Record deleted. Again, let me view the data. Yeah, 202 gone. Just for one more time, I just want to delete. Okay, patient data. Let us which data? I want to delete 102. and view. Yes, patient data deleted. And if I want to exit, just simply press 6. Up to now, still my program is running. If you can see this red color dot, still my program is running. Yes. Now let me just try to press 6 and enter button. Thank you for visiting. And yeah, my program got terminated. As simple as this. This is the entire code. Now I have a small question for you. Guys, just 30 to 40 seconds, stop coding. Please listen to me once. Just, I'm not asking more. 30 to 40 seconds, seriously. Right now, this entire code is basically present inside the while loop. Yes or no? Where is our prepared statement present? Outside the loop. Means how many times it got compiled? I think it got compiled only for one time now. And we are able to run it any number of times. Please tell me yes or no. We are trying to access that inside the loop. We can use that any number of times. Reusability. Prepared statement, mainly we will be using prepared statement for reusability. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. That is the main use of prepared statement. And by using prepared statement, we will be able to avoid SQL injection attacks. What is that? Do you know what is an SQL injection? Do one thing. I gave a small workshop on SQL injection. It is already there in YouTube. Just can you please refer to that once? No, I mean it. Please respond. Yes or no? There will be 2 sessions will be there. Almost 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 2 kind of sessions will be there. Trust me, you will love it. Then after looking at that, then you will be getting actually SQL injection is not covered for you. Oracle is done. I think it's going on. Then obviously it will be covered. No need to worry about it. But trust me, watch it. Watch it. You will love it. Okay. It will not take much time. Whenever you are having your lunch or else evening, whenever you are sleeping, just watch it. And you'll be getting more clarity about hacking also. Like how to avoid that. I'm not speaking how to hack. I cannot do that. I cannot say that. I'm speaking about how to avoid it. How we'll be able to avoid it. Is that clear? As simple as this. So come on, please continue with K6 and that's it for today. I'm actually done for today. Just in the meantime, I'll upload the notes also. Please try to complete this K6. And in YouTube, if you want to check that, go for YouTube and there you will be having something like SQL injection attacks in Naresh IT. Very first thing will be there. 2 sessions will be there. Okay, just watch this. You'll be getting more clarity on this SQL injection. We'll be able to avoid this by using prepared statement. Trust me, you will not regret. Believe me, you will not regret. As a matter of fact, you will try to do this also. So right. Okay. SQL injection attacks, Naresh IT, you'll be able to get it. Come on, go with case 6, please. I mean, case 5. Okay, Santosh, feel free, please bring your laptop once, then only I'll be able to solve it. In chat you're explaining that is okay, but I'm not saying no for it, but as I said, I need to check that. Right? Done? How many of you completed all the 6 cases? Raise your hands, please. I'm actually happiest person. That's actually very good, guys. I'm impressed. Now, 10 days got completed. What is your opinion about our classes? Is our classes got going fine? If you are having, please tell me here. Is our classes are going fine, or else if you're having any trouble, please do let me know. Are you okay with the classes? Enough for me. Enough. That's what I need. Online students, I need your opinion also. If possible, I want you to kindly please message me in the chat. Are you comfortable with the way how our classes are going on? If possible, I request you to kindly please message me in the chat, guys. Please message me in the chat. Please message me in the chat. Okay, that's actually amazing. That is actually amazing. Very good. Very good, Divya. That is actually very good. Yeah, Diya. All right, guys. I'm done for today. Enough for today. And tomorrow, listen, tomorrow we are going to deal with result set, not callable statement. Time is there. Before going to that callable statement, we need to discuss about result set. Some concepts are there. Result set, row set, all those concepts we are going to discuss. Tomorrow, please be prepared. We need to write a little bit lengthy notes. And believe me, it is worth it. In Jailer movie, there is this kind of dialogue. What is the movie dialogue? Jailer movie? Who is the hero for Jailer? Hey, Rajnikant. You know it, right? In that movie, there is one dialogue is there. Vattu Varma Vattu. Yes? You did not watch the movie? Where are you? Yaar? So like that, tomorrow you need to write some notes. Little bit lengthy notes will be there. Please be prepared. And yeah, it is worth it. All right? Dot. That's it, guys. That's it for today. Thank you. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. Thank you. Online students, see you tomorrow. Have a great day, guys.